he was dragging my name and that of the Central Organization of Trade Unions Kenya in his speech that was not written by him. For anybody who has been listening to what William Samoei Ruto has been talking about me, about Raila Amolo Odinga, about President Uhuru Kenyatta, that is the exactly person who crafted Musalia's speech. He has over the years displayed himself as a humble person who doesn't want to attack others. So that was an important language into his own mouth and properly orchestrated by our arch enemies, the speech that Kenyans were treated to yesterday. Mudavadi, who I strongly believe suffers from the Peter Pan syndrome in his political career, is used to breathing the political oxygen of strong men around him. And that is why he has been unable to grow his own lungs and thorax. This has made him this has made Mudavadi not to breathe independently of strong men. In other words, this has made him not to be himself, or in a language understandable to the environment, says that Mudavadi cannot drive alone without being driven by other people or close friends.